How you doing? Yo. What kind of dog is that? Oh, that's the killer right there. How you doing? What's up?
Hi.
My name's Joel. What's your name? How you doing? That's a lot.
Can you please just not touch my dog?
Oh, yeah, I'm so sorry. I love animals. Is this a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
It's a boy?
Yeah.
You just got him?
Yeah, I had him for about a week.
Oh, my God. Is them hazel blue eyes? Oh, yeah, you got a young killer.
Yeah.
But, yeah, my name's Joel. What's up?
What? What do you mean?
No, just what's up? Like, what you about to get into?
Hi. I'm just walking my dog. I don't know, like, why you're, like, what, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do
I'm
you need
good.
help?
Do I need help?
Yeah.
Why would I need help?
I mean, you're stopping me and I'm...
Oh, no, because I honestly, I'm just like a freelance person. I just like talking to people that seem cool. You said you over here. I never even seen you over here. I stay like down the street, and sometimes I just like to chill, take pictures, photography pictures.
I'm sorry, but my dad told me don't talk to strangers.
Hold on, wait, whoa. How old are you?
So.
Wait. Please tell me you over 18.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you still stay with your dad?
No.
Oh, huh? I'm confused. So, your dad told you not to talk to strangers?
Yeah, your parents didn't teach you that?
Yeah, but I mean, that don't really work.
You understand where I'm coming from, where we're going with this, which is nowhere. And I'd rather you just not talk to me.
I'm so, okay. God damn. You got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all I need to know. That's
okay.
all. I just wanted to talk to you. What if I was even trying to talk to you on that tip, though? I just really seen you and you seem cool. Are you high? You look blowed.
You have a good one, sir.
You know I take pictures, right? I'm a photographer.
That's cool.
I was taking pictures of like the little flowers over there. And you got a lot of tattoos. How many That's kind of boring.
Yeah.
I mean, I personally really, really love taking pictures. That's like something I really enjoy.
Oh.
You look really hot.
That's cool.
You smoke?
Yeah.
I smoke sometimes.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay. How many tattoos you got?
Sir.
Well, I just want to look.
I'm sorry.
You on some weird
I'm sorry.
junk.
I can't talk to you. If my boyfriend drives fast.
So your boyfriend let you walk out like that with dang their cheeks out?
Yeah. I wear what I want. He's pretty confident in our relationship.
Wow. I wouldn't let you walk out like that. Not with the cheeks out. You know how many thirsty niggas out here? Oh, look at this Lambo. Dang, that's a sweet Lambo. Wow. I'm sleep. He revving it. So you never told me your name. Your name? Dang, just like that? Hey, bro, that's a nice car. Appreciate it. Dude, how you doing? What's your name? Why you walking so fast? Why you walking so fast? That's your girl? Nah, I'm trying to get her home. She said she has a boyfriend. Yeah. You got a boyfriend? I can't hear you. You too far. You say you got a boyfriend? Kevin?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What type of dog? That's a pit?
Yeah.
Oh, so what's his name?
His name is Rocky.
Oh,
Can I check your car, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Check this out. Nice. You
I thought it was overheating.
Huh?
I said I thought it was overheating. That's why I stopped.
Oh.
So where are you from?
Detroit.
Okay. You staying around here or something?
Yeah, I stay a little bit. I stay over there actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I just test driving it to see because the check engine light came on.
Okay.
What's wrong with y'all?
Oh, I don't know him.
No, I was just checking out your car, bro. But
She don't know you?
No, I was trying to talk to her. You know, I do photography. I can take pictures of your car. I told her. She wouldn't even tell me her name. She said her dad said don't talk to strangers. I haven't heard that since I was a kid.
How old are you?
22.
She didn't tell me her age. She didn't want nothing to do with me. I don't know.
You take pictures?
Hey, bro. Yeah, I take pictures. Your car dope. I'm going to just sit back over and take my pictures.
You say you 22. You from here?
Yeah. Yeah.
For real? Why you play him?
Huh?
Why you play the cameraman?
I honestly don't like when people like walk up on me while I'm like enjoying my personal time and space.
Oh, that's what you call it?
Yeah, I was just walking my dog.
You holding him? How you walking him?
He was walking, but that guy, I don't know his name, but that guy over there, he approached us, so I picked him up just in case I needed to run away, you know?
Yo, you say you take pictures. I need a cameraman. I gotta get your info or something.
Yeah, man, I'm allowed to take your. Bro, this car is so dope. I only seen this car twice in my whole life. So, I mean, I can
Look
definitely.
like
take some
you a model?
pictures.
I don't like putting my face behind my car. I'll let
She
you
would
put
fit
your face for sure.
Perfect in this car.
Get the angle, get the angle.
And she have a dog, the angle?
Lean on it.
I mean,
Are you sure?
Yeah. I want to see it. I just want to see if you get. Yeah, we got to see it.
bro,
Man, I like that tattoo.
I'm trying to ask how many tattoos she has. She really didn't.
How many tattoos you got?
I have 9.
Nah?
Yeah. I have like
Yeah,
A full
Alright,
sleeve.
so look, I can definitely take a good picture. But the
I
only
can see
thing
the
is, bro,
angle.
I never took a picture of a beautiful girl like this with cheeks. So I mean, can you tell her that she don't listen
Oh
to me?
yeah,
so
you gotta
can
turn.
Yeah, if you
You
tell her to
gotta
turn on,
kinda
bro.
show something.
Okay. Can you tell her like the twerk too?
Yeah, can you do that? You gotta put it in video. We need B-roll.
B-roll?
Yeah, that's
Bro,
the
you
B-roll.
feel me?
That's B-roll. We gotta get B-roll.
Alright, I'm gonna get a good angle at this.
You think I should take my sweater off?
Yeah, it is kind of like 100 degrees.
Yeah.
It's a little hot out.
Yeah.
Rocky.
Bro. So let me ask you, what you do for a living, bro?
Oh, I mean, I do stocks and realtor. Yeah.
She in custody.
She trying to get in it.
Holy crap. Hold on, what she said her name was again?
What you say? You said your name was what?
Winter.
Winter?
Like the season?
Oh.
Alright, can I finally say nice to meet you,
my
Winter?
dog is eating something. Nice. Hi.
Can I say nice to meet you, Winter?
Why
Nice
can't-
to meet you.
This is crazy. What? Bro, what's wrong with me? All right, back to pictures. Can I? What we doing? What we doing again?
If we doing B-roll, you gotta show her up. Like, he the camera, you gotta listen to the cameraman now. He know what he doing. I'm just the one watching.
The car might be a little hot, but oh, that's a good picture.
That's a good picture. With the dog, that's different.
That is. But I want to see the.
You definitely gotta show.
Cheese out.
Can you raise him up a little bit?
Oh, that is a good picture, dude. This make your Lambo look so good, bro.
Turn a little bit better. Yeah, we gotta see the tack. You can make your leg jiggle. What's that thing they be doing? They be like,
Like that?
yes. That's what we need.
All right, that's good.
All right, now you gotta take some pictures, don't you? Or we good?
Tell her, bro. Can you tell her just hook up with me, or?
Would you talk to my guy if I hire him?
Huh?
Would you talk to him if I hire him?
Like, what do you mean? Talk to him.
Like,
Like conversation? Or
yeah,
talk
like
with,
date, like go on a date with him.
Oh, no thank you.
Why is that?
You were going to date with him, but not me.
Sorry.
What if I took you on a date with him? I mean, it was us three.
That's kind of weird.
I
Like
mean,
3-way?
yeah.
Nah, I'm not really into
So you
that.
just want him?
You talk to me?
Yeah, I think you're pretty nice. You
Pretty
know?
nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a nice looking gentleman,
Like a
actually.
good vibe.
A good vibe. He's fresh. You better than me. I just came from the gym.
I mean,
I like to work out too.
Oh, she like to work out.
crazy. Do
Damn.
you want to tell her? I think it's time to tell her.
Tell me what.
I ain't know.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, that's cool.
No, like no him.
Yeah, like.
Oh, okay.
Like this my nigga right here. Like what up, bro? Like I'm for real. Like this my dog.
That's cool. And this is my dog.
No, like I know we tied in.
No, this is my car.
Okay.
No, I swear this is his car.
And we recording you. And on top of that, I wish I had a shovel. Because you was a gold digger, bro.
Wow.
You tried to
He
I
played
was
it
gold
for sure.
digger because I wasn't interested.
But we gotta know why he
You
wasn't
had a
interested.
boyfriend. You wouldn't give me your name, but you gave him your name?
Just give me way more conversation.
Wow, this is crazy, bro.
I mean, you was right.
What made him special? Was it the car?
No.
They had to be because I don't look like nothing.
Bro, let me get this sweater off my car.
Is it like dark skin? You don't like the dark skin. You like light skin. That's what it gotta be.
This is sweater off my car. I mess with your dog. I don't mess with you, though. I don't mess with you. You sick gold digger, bro. You got all them chicks and you want to go, dude.
Bye.
Hold on, come here. Let me see another toy, though. That's some first class. This is my
Cameraman, zoom in on it. Zoom in on the ass.
I'm asleep, bro. She really tried to play us.
She dirty.
That's crazy, y'all. Honestly, get this video about 5,000 likes.
5K.
Make sure y'all go subscribe to my man's TKTV. He do the same thing I do. We catch gold diggers together, and this wouldn't have been possible without him. She tried to play me. She tried to play me.
The split off was funny as hell.
We out. Peace.